Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change orientation in Microsoft Word from landscape to portrait or portrait to landscape. So click on this layout tab and here is the option orientation. Orientation. Click here. This is the portrait. Now select landscape like this and portrait. So this way you can select portrait or landscape. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.